Hello, everyone, and welcome to my unfiltered fall morning routine. So, normally when I do morning routines, I do make it like a big old morning routine, if that makes sense. Like, I do it up a little bit. But this time, I just wanted to be as real as possible. So, you're seeing everything that I can show on the internet. So the first thing I do is get up, make the bed if Aaron is not in it, and then I will get my clothes. So all my tops are in here, and I just like look and see what do I want to wear today. And because it's fall, I was like, let's wear this maroon shirt. These are so comfortable, by the way. I got them on Avon, but now it's time to get dressed, and of course. PG here cannot be showing you things like me changing my clothes. So I also get on the scale and I do that with my birthday suit. Also, yes, I do have a tattoo that most people normally don't see, and it was in honor of my nanny because she passed away from cancer, and the first one she got was breast cancer. So I have a pink breast cancer ribbon with some feathers. Then I put my clothes on, and I am going to put my blue jean shorts on. They're from Lane Bryant, right here. And now it is time to brush my teeth and fix up my hair. I'm still putting my hair in a ponytail today, but I actually have this really pretty bow that I got off of Amazon that I like, so I'm going to wear that because it matches with my shirt. So now that my hair's up, I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face. I will wash my face in the morning before I put my makeup on. That way any kind of dry skin comes off, and then my makeup goes on a lot smoother. And I'm putting on these little pumpkin earrings. I'm really liking jewelry lately. I'm also going to wear a necklace. And my necklace is a breast cancer awareness necklace. It's like a little shadow box. It has a little like diamond heart or ribbon and then some pink sequins in there. So now it's time to put on my perfume, and I have two different ones. So they're both from Dossier. Y'all know I love Dossier because they make perfumes that are like designer inspired perfumes, so they cost a lot less than the designer brands would. So for example, I love Dolce & Gabbana's light blue, but it is like $70, and on Dossier's website it is $29, and it smells identical. So this is a fruity neroli one, and you can see the notes here. And then I also mixed it with the vanilla because vanilla is such a good smell for fall, and you can see the notes there, and they come in these really pretty boxes that are recyclable. Also the glass and metal are recyclable. This is like really eco-friendly packaging, and then on the note card they tell you what all of the scent is in the bottle and the perfume that it is inspired by. So if you like designer inspired perfumes, then definitely check out Dossier's website. It will be linked down below in the description box. Here are all of mine, and they're also going to be giving you a 10% code. So I will have that linked down below as well, so you can get 10% off of your order. I'm gonna finish getting ready now. I have my makeup to do because today is a filming day after this as well. And I need to brush my teeth. My old toothbrush it just had its time. So I was pulling out a new one. Also, I don't know if I already mentioned it, but the music I'm listening to is from Spotify, and it was a early 2000s alt rock, like alternative rock playlist, and it just brings me back to when I was in high school, and I used to love those types of songs. So yeah, I'm just jamming out. listening to music when I'm getting ready in the morning is definitely a motivator. Also, I was so excited dancing around that I splashed water all over the mirror, so I had to clean that up. But now that my teeth are brushed, I can go ahead and put my makeup on, and I just use drugstore makeup, and I do just a very simple, natural look. Just something that makes me feel put together and that I can just go about the rest of my day. Now that I'm ready, it is time to get some laundry done, and I also need to get the dishes put away. I like to do that first thing in the morning and open up all the curtains and door in the living room to bring some of that natural daylight in. And no morning routine is complete without fixing a huge thing of iced coffee. So I use the Starbucks blonde coffee. It's just black coffee. And then I use 1/4 of a cup of creamer. I know that's a lot of creamer, but I use a lot of coffee, as y'all can see. So it evens out, and I do measure it just so I can keep track of how much calories it is, and stir that up, and I give it a good swirl. I don't know what I'm saying, y'all. Anyways, I'm just gonna swirl it around as much as I think it needs to be swirled. I guess she thought it needed a lot of swirl. And then I'm gonna drink it and close out this video. Also, that's from Food Lion, and it tastes amazing, better than Dunk. Alright, thank you all so much for watching my morning routine. I will leave the Spotify playlist link down below that I was jamming out to the entire time. But now would be the time that I start filming for another video for y'all. So I'm going to be doing, y'all would have already seen it, but I'm about to get my crock pot out, make the soup. It was the busy day soup, and I'm also going to be making a leaf DIY and just hanging out with you guys in a mobile home living video. So don't forget to check out Dossier. They are my favorite perfumes to wear, and I have a 10% discount code down below for y'all in the description box. If you cannot find that, let me know and I will just directly put the link under your comments so that you have easy access to it. But yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy this video, and I will see you back in the next one. Bye.